Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Myself, Farida ma'am, your maths teacher. Now, children, today we are going to revise time chapter. Okay, we had already studied before, but again we are going to revise a chapter. So, come on, let's start. So, children, I am going to show you the clock today. Okay, see. Can you see here the clock? Okay. And as you can see, there are how many numbers on the clock? 12 numbers, okay? And how many hands are there? 2 hands are there and one is the second hand. That we are not going to do just now. Only 2 hands I am going to explain you, okay? One is the short hand and another is the long hand, okay? What does short hand represent? Short hand says the hour and long hand says the minute. Now I am going to show you the time. Come on. See now what? I will show you. Now see children, where is the short hand here? It is on the 5 number. And where is the long hand? It is on 12 number. So whenever the short hand is on any of the number and the long hand, the big hand is on 12, here the short hand is on 5, so it is 5 o'clock. Now suppose if I rotate this to 6, I will show you, see. Suppose I am rotating to 4. See now. Here the short hand is on 4 number and the long hand is on 12 number. So the time is 4 o'clock. Okay. So this is very easy. Now I am going to show you half past. Come on children. Now children, see, as I had shown you that there are 12 numbers over here. And I had shown you that on one number it is 5 minutes. You can see here the small numbers are written. On one number 5 minutes, 2 number 10 minutes, 3 number is 15 minutes, 4 number is 20 minutes, 5 number 25 minutes and 6 number is 30 minutes. Okay. So when the big hand comes to 6, then it is half past. And as you can see that the small hand, the short hand is between 2 and 3. So what is the time given here? The time is 2:30. Okay, 2:30. And how you will write down in sentence? You will write down half past 2. Right? Same way, suppose it is given 4:30. So, where the small hand is, when 4:30 time is there, where the short hand will come, it will come between 4 and 5. So, also I will show you. See. Now as you can see here children, that the long hand is on 6. That means it is 30 minutes. So you have to remember children that when the first number is for hours and the second number is for the minutes. So when we are writing digitally, the time when we are writing digitally, the first number is for the hours and the second number is for the minutes. So here, where is the long hand? It is on 6. So on 6 how many minutes? 30 minutes. And the short hand is between 4 and 5. So, we have to consider 4 here. So, what is the time given here? It is 4:30. Or in sentence, what we will write down? Half past 4. So, this way you have to just see where the short hand is. In half past, always the short hand is between the 2 numbers. And the big hand is on 6 number. Okay. Now, another time I will show you. Okay. Come on. See children, now we are going to learn quarter past. Do you all remember what quarter past is? We had already learned that. Quarter past means the big hand comes to which number? It comes to 3 number. Okay, I will show you on the clock. See here. Now, as you can see, the short hand is on 7 number and the long hand is on 3 number. So when the long hand comes to 3 number, then the time is quarter past. Okay, that only you have to remember that when big hand comes to 3, it is the quarter past time. Then we will see the where the short hand lies here. The short hand lies on 7 number. So the time will be quarter past 7. So here we will write down quarter past 7. Okay, we will write down quarter past 7 in sentence. And digitally what we will write down? See on which number it is on 3. So how many minutes here? 15 minutes. So the time will be 7:50. Same way children, if the hand moves from like this. Now you can see here the big hand is on 3. So the time will remain 15 minutes only. But you can see here that the short hand is on 8 number. So now what will be the time? The time will be quarter past 8. Or digitally what will write down? 8:50. So just you have to remember that when the long hand comes to 3 number, it is quarter past, and the short hand we will see on which number it is that we are going to write over here. So this you have to remember that this number is for the hours and this number is for the minutes. Okay, come on now another time. Children, now what is given here? Quarter to. So we had learned half past, we had learned quarter past, and now we come to quarter to. Now everybody pay attention over here. See, what is the timing given here? 9 o'clock, right? Now if the big hand moves slowly towards forward, when it moves like this. Now come on, tell me what is the time given here? 9:15, right? Because the big hand is on 3 number and that is quarter past. Now when it moves to 6 number, see automatically the small hand comes between 9 and 10. And when the big hand is on 6 number, then what time it is? It is 9:30. Now when this hand moves towards like this, forward, when it moves, can you see the where the short hand is coming towards now? Which number? See, slowly when it moves like this, where the short hand is on, it is near to 10. Can you see it is not exactly on 10, it is near to 10. And the long hand is on 9 number. I will put it properly, 9 number. Like this. So now what is the time here? Come on, see. The big hand is on 9 number and small hand is not on exactly 10 number, but it is near to 10 number. So what is the timing given here? The timing is 9:45. Because when the big hand is on 6 number, it was 9:30. When it comes to 7, 35, 40 and here 45 comes. So the timing is 9:45. But what we will write down here in sentence, what we will write down, I had already explained that in sentence we will write down quarter to 10. We will write down quarter to 10. But digitally when we are writing, we will write down 9:45. So this in quarter to, you have to always remember children, in quarter to, not in quarter past, not in half past. But in quarter to you have to remember that whenever we are writing in sentence, then here as per the timing, what we will write down here, quarter to 10 we will write down, but digitally we will write down 9:45. One more I will show you. See, another time. Now see, what is the timing here? 10 o'clock. Then when it comes to 3, then it is 10:15, right? When it comes to 6, then it is 10:30, half past 10. But when it comes to 9, can you see the small hand is coming towards which number? 11 number. So here the big hand is on 9 and the small hand is on, not on 11 but near to 11. So the timing will be, what we will write down here, quarter to 11 we will write down. Here we will write down quarter to 11, and digitally what we will write down, 10:45, not 11:45. We will write down here 10:45. So this is very important in quarter to always remember. Digitally we will write down one number back. Okay. Now again we are going to revise. I will show you that on quarter past, quarter, half past and quarter to, how you have to remember the time. Come on. See children, as you can see, this table you have to remember very nicely. If you will remember this, it will be very easy for you to remember the timings. Okay, now what is written first? Quarter past is written. So in quarter past, you have to remember the big hand comes to which number? 3 number, right? The big hand comes to 3 number. And what is the minute? What minute is there when the big hand comes to 3 number? 15 minutes. So this we will remember, that suppose the small hand is on 8 and big hand is on 3. So what will be the timing there? 8:15 or quarter past 8. The next is half past. In half past the big hand comes to which number? 6 number. And what is the minute there on 6 number? What minute is it? 30 minutes. Okay. Next is quarter 2. In quarter 2, the big hand comes to which number? 9 number. And what is the minute over there? 45 minutes. So, the first two are very easy because we are going to see the shorthand over there and then we will write down the number. But only the thing that you remember in quarter 2 is that whatever the timing is given, suppose the big hand is on 9 number and the small hand is on 2 number. So we will write down quarter to 2. But digitally we will write down 1:45. एक number हमको पीछे जाना है, right? Only this thing you have to remember in quarter 2. So children, these timings you are going to revise. Okay, if you will learn this table, it will be very easy for you to write down the time. Okay, children, bye and have a nice day.